Precision, where technology and experience merge to create excellence. Precision machining with the latest technology available. Transforming unique ideas into specific designs. We comply with the most demanding parameters, working with the highest quality control and standards. CNC machinery, up to 5-axis. 3-axis EDM. Wire cutting 5-axis EDM. Conventional and CNC lathe. CMM measuring equipment. We are prepared for the most ambitious projects. We work with leading tire manufacturer and multinational companies, extending our services worldwide. Our efficiency and flexibility make us leaders in our field. We represent creativity, solutions, and precision. The fundamental precision for creating a new industrial revolution.